Welcome to the AZE channel. Chill, enjoy, and learn.
Oh. Oh. Jesus Christ.
Guess the rain obscured their ability to keep right. It happened in Sugar City, Idaho. It happened in Burlington, Ontario, Canada. How did he manage to fly?
Oh my God.
Watching too many movies does not mean that it is easy to do some things, especially drifting.
Just walk places?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. That's illegal. Oh shit!
Dumbass.
Red light runner. Busted. Simply karma.
Nice.
It happened in Fairfield, Ohio. Car in front was turning, however driver couldn't see around the left turning lane on the other side and thought he could make it. In the head of the pickup driver, I don't care that you have the right of way. It happened on I-20 Terrell, Texas.
You know, wife, young, lovely, gentle, sensible. Sensible? Well, she said nothing but yes and no.
The driver was not looking at the road ahead. It happened in Rendon, Texas. Pay attention to the car on the right. It doesn't look to see if it can change lanes. Driver fails to stay in his lane and hits this car. The damage was about $4,400. It happened in Hazelwood, Missouri. The rearview mirror is there to be used. Don't be a stupid driver. It happened in Carbondale, Illinois.
Oh, bang.
Another example in this video of not using the rearview mirror. Fortunately, there were no injuries or damage to the cars. The driver rear-ended this car. This happened in Newport Richey, Florida. Should this be commented? Thanks to Asatru Patriot for the wonderful clip. It happened in Savannah, Georgia. You turn, luckily without any consequences. light had literally just turned green, so the truck tried to go through the red light and almost hit someone. It happened on I-65, Tennessee. Black SUV sideswipes a stationary white SUV. Driver wasn't harmed and footage was given.